Good morning class. Now today we are going to start with the explanation of 10th chapter, that is adjective. Chapter 10, Adjectives. Adjectives are those words which tells us something more about nouns and pronouns. They are being added before or after the nouns or pronouns. Adjectives add quality to the noun. That means if a person, let us take the example, I am saying she is a bad person. So what type of person she is? Bad. So bad here is the adjective, because which type of person? It is telling the quality of a person. So bad is the adjective over here. Now it is added to the person, as person is a noun. So adjective are those words which tells us something more about nouns and pronouns. Now let us go through the chapter. Adjectives are the word which describes nouns and pronouns. They can be used before or after them, as I have already told you that they describes about nouns and pronouns. They can be used before and after them. For example, the chief guest gave away prizes to the meritorious student. What type of student was that? That student was meritorious. Let us move to the second example. Today we have blue sky. Which type of sky we have? Sky is blue. So blue is the adjective over here. The sky looks very black. So black is the adjective over here. I fell down because the floor was slippery. What type of floor was that? That floor was slippery. So slippery is the adjective over here. Now let us move to the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives describes nouns or pronouns on the basis of quality, color, origin, number, age, quantity, material. Now here we have been told about 7 types of adjectives, as adjectives describes more about nouns and pronouns. First one is the quality. I eat fresh vegetables. So fresh here is telling about the quality of vegetables. So fresh here is the adjective. Sonu is a foolish boy. Which type of boy was Sonu? Sonu is a foolish boy. Color. Who was the man in the green shirt? That is telling about the color of the shirt. Which color was that? That color was green. They went in a white car. So white is the color of the car. Origin. Indian soldiers fought quite bravely. What type of soldiers were there? Indian. Tom is an American citizen. Tom is not an Indian citizen. He's an American citizen. So it is telling about the origin. Fourth, number. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. It is telling about the numbers 2 brothers and 3 sisters. So 2 and 3 here are the adjective of numbers. The first boy in the third row is talking. So first and third here are the numbers. They are adjective of numbers. Age. I saw an old man walking with a stick. What type of man was that? That man was old. So here we are talking about the adjective of age. Old is an adjective of age. My father bought a new bag for me. New here is the age. So this is adjective of age. 6th one. Quantity. How much quantity we get. That is adjective of quantity. We ate little food at that restaurant. Little here is the adjective of quantity. We have enough land to grow wheat and rice. Enough here is the enough means we have sufficient land to grow wheat and rice both. So enough here is the adjective of quantity. Now let us move to the 7th type of adjective, that is material. Rakshit has a golden watch. Which type of watch Rakshit has? Rakshit has a golden watch. So it is telling about the adjective of material. He sat on a wooden chair. Wooden here is the adjective of material. Now I hope both the adjectives and kinds of adjectives are now clear to all of you. Now what you all have to do is, homework for you all is to go through this chapter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.